Hello, in this video I'm going to help you with formatting shapes in Keynote for the iPad. What you'll want to do is you'll want to touch the paintbrush. And that won't help you if you do not have your item selected. So I'll make sure that I have this house selected. What I can do here is I can simply change the color, etc. And when I do that, if I wanted to actually type something inside the house, I can also touch text, and here is where I can change the font. Once I highlight it, I can change the font color. I can change the size, etc. There's many things I can do. So I encourage you to explore by coming up here and turning on the paintbrush. And of course, what I always tell students and remind myself, right here is the undo button. If I don't like what I did, I can always click undo and return to the default. So have fun exploring with that. Let me know if I can help you more.